2009 Nissan Versa. So with this one, I know it's big. There's a big mess right now, but I'm doing a bunch of other projects at the same time. So next project we are going to tackle is this alternator. It's not putting out any bolts. It's very ugly. We got a new one, and we're gonna slap it on. So first things first, if anytime in this video you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe. It's a small and easy thing to do for you, but it means the world to any YouTuber out there. Also, if you're looking for any type of high quality and the brightest LEDs on the market, head down to any one of my videos. At the bottom of the video description, you'll see a link plus a referral code. Use that referral code, get yourself a discount, and they're the brightest LEDs. You don't even need high beams, man. You use those low beams and you can see into the future. It's crazy. So first thing is you gotta come out and remove the tire, which it's already done because we replaced the strut, and we're going to start removing these bunch of plastic. Yeah, wow, a lot of them. Yep, we're gonna move that because we need access to this section right here. Millimeter. We're gonna grab this and rotate it. Wrong way. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So why there is no video out there that finishes this job is because the bolt, the bottom bolt is too long. Yeah, it's too long. Hits the frame. So that's why there's not a video out there on this engine. So I'm gonna have to get creative because I'm gonna be the first one to make this video. I am wildly aggravated right now. All right, that's good. So, the manual says it pulls right out. No, it does not. That bolt is entirely too long. And I'm scared I'm going to damage the threads. Oh, got it. Ah, now my hands are stuck. Okay, so what I did was, if you couldn't see, because my hands were in the way, is bring the bolt out as far as it'll go, lift up on the bolt, and lift up on the alternator to try to bring this side up. Oh, so getting it in is going to be twice as fun. Oh, let's get this big beautiful thing down there. Oh, here's where it's gonna, this is not going to be good. It'd be nice if this AC line wasn't in my way. Line it up, make sure it fits. Yes, it does, and it fits nicely. All right. Here goes nothing. You guys got to back up. So getting that in wasn't as terrible as I thought it was going to be. So essentially what I did was, so this long little bracket back here, I lined up the two at the very tip. I shoved that bolt in, and I just angled it up, and then just shoved it down, and then it went right into place. So like I said, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. Once you Sorry, I don't have a stand that sits like this, so sorry, I'm going to have to just put these bolts back in as best I can. And to free up some space, I removed the coolant reservoir, which is just push back on the clip and move it. 13 millimeter. But yeah, that's why they didn't show that, because it's not as clean as they liked it to be. Okay, that's good. Cover that back up. Mounting harness. Perfect. And since this thing's already empty, I wasn't really in risk of losing anything. So, this part slides in there. I'm gonna need two hands, and then this part slides down. And make sure you put, oh, don't drop it, make sure you put this ground wire back. If you see any green crusties or anything, make sure you clean it off before you put it back. Make sure it's solid contact, but this one looks really good, so we'll roll with it.